Hello everyone, welcome back to my our Fluenty channel. Let us go start this video. The history of architecture in Newark. Newark City is the often described and the open and museum of architecture. Its sky-like street and the neighborhood they reflect more than our century of history. Innovation, ambition, and the culture change from the early colony, the building to modern glass sky scars, the New York architecture tell the story of the city constantly reinvent itself while the spreading its parts. This article explores the history of architecture in New York, tracing its evolution from the 17th century of the present day. Number 1. Early the colonial architecture 1600 to 1700. The architecture history the New York begins its early 1600 when the city was known as New Amsterdam, the Dutch colony. During this the period the building were the simple and practical. Most structure were the made the wood, stone and brick reflecting European building traditional that of local material. Dutch colonial architecture empire stepped the roof, stepped gables and think wells. House were the modest in the size, the design the primarily for the fashionably rather than the decoration. One of the most important surviving example from this the area is Wyckoff House in the Brooklyn building around the 1652, which is the considered by the oldest structure in New York City. After the British whose the control the 1664 and remind that the city New York English architectural influence become more the prominent. Geogran style the building appeared characteristic rise by supplementary brick face caps and say window and the classical proportion. This structure the lead and the foundation of the more refined architectural development in the countries of come. Number 2. Federal and Greek revival style the late 1700 to 1800. Following the American Revolution, New York experienced by significant growth with the commercial and the political center. During this medieval style architecture became the popular. This style was inspired by Roman and Greek classical design by symbolize the idea of the new republic. Federal building was excellent yet retired, featuring the balance of ornamentation, decorative cornering, elliptical windows, and the refined the brick work. Many towns house the building it lower maintenance during this the flowed this style. By the early 19th century, Greek the rebel architecture they gained the popularity. This style the reflect American administration of the ancient Greek decorative and culture. Building future columns prediment. The Greek revolt style was widely used in the public building, bank and church, helping New York establish an image of the culture and the political importance. Number 3. The rise of the row house and urban expansion 1900. In New York, the population was rapidly during the 19th century. The city expanded the northward. The period saw the wide sphere the development of row the house which the become defined the future of New York residential architecture. Row house was the narrow, the multi-story home building side by the side, sharing walls to save space and materials. Architecture was styled the wide over time, including Italian Gothic revival and Roman Square revival. This home is often feature decorative face deck stopped, the retained doorways and the window. Immigration played by major role in the helping the New York architecture during this area. Millions of the immigration arrived the city, the leading of the construction of the tradesman the building. This structure was designed by house the large number of the people, but often the lack the adequate light, ventilation and sanitation all through control saver tradesmen and because become and the Australian part of New Work architecture and the social history. Number 4. Art and the Gilead Age late 1800 early to 1900. By the late the 19th century, New York had become the global economics the powerhouse. This wealth was reflected in the architecture of the Gilead Age period marked by the luxury, grandeur, and artist ambition. The Bax art style the influenced by the French classical architecture dominated this area. Building are mountain and richly decorated. The featuring great the history success school picture arch and symmetrical layout. This style was the often used for republic institution and the culture landmark. Clonic example include the Grand, the Central Terminal, the Newark Public Library, and the Gerling Halls. The structure the symbolized by progress, education, and the civil period, establishing Newark the culture capitals the world. Number 5. The British of the skyscraper early 1900, one of the most significant contribution Newark has the made of global architecture in the sky square advance in the steel constitutional. Construction, evolution, and the engineering allowed the building to rise the vertically, transforming the city skyline. Early skyscraper such as the Flatiron building combined the height with the artist expansion soon. Architecture style like the art decoration become the dominant. The art decoration skyscraper where the silk geometric and the visually string representing modernity and the optimism. The famous the example include the Terrestrial building and the Empire State the building. This structure not be defined by New York skyline, but also become the global symbol ambition, evolution of the architecture excellent. Number 6. The modern rise and the international style the mid 1900 after the World War II. Architecture the taste the shift toward the simplicity, the efficiency, the modernist movement reject the exclusively orientation and the focus of the function. Clean lines and the new materials like the glass and the steel. The international style the promoted by the architecture such as the loading miss van der Rohe add measure the impact of the new work building the future. Rectangle from the glass the contains the walls, the many metallic design. Landmark like the Sagargram buildings exemplify this style, while the modern architecture both the efficiency and clarity. It also spark debate about the laws of historical characteristic and the human scale in the urban design. The post-modern and architecture diversity 1917 90 to 90. By the 20th century, architecture began the change, the strict rules, the modern, post-modern architecture, written reduced color, ornament, and the historical reference. New work become the laboratory and the architecture experimentation building the become the transition element with the modern from creating and device and visually dynamic cityscape. This area also were increased the interest historical presentation the building the protection of many loader building neighborhood. This creation the landmark the combination the help the ensure that the New York architecture heritage the wood the cerebral the all side in new development. Number 8. Contemporary Horticulture and Sustainability. Number 8. Contemporary Horticulture and Sustainability 2100 the present. In this, the 21st century New York, they continue the evolution horticulturally, contemporarily building the empires, the evolution, sustainability and technology, green roof engineering, energy efficiency designed by environmentally responsible material have the become increasingly important. Horticulture such as the Norman Forest Range, Peno and Gila held have the won the World Trade Center symbolized the relaxation, remembers and revolts after the event the September 11, 2021, at the same time, Adopatic reused the project, transforming all the industrial building into the modern escape that reflect the new work ability, balance history with the progress. The history, the horticulture new work is the story of the content change the shape by the economics force, the culture moment, technology information, and the human evolution from the modest the colonial to home and the towning skyscraper. Each area has the left the lasting the mark of city identity. New York horticulture is not about the building, is about the peoples who are the building them, live the terms